Hello everyone, NTA already released the exam date, means most probably exam will be in March or April maximum. So maximum it can be April, March will be I think not possible because the form is not released yet. So maybe the exam will be April. So you have only 2 months maximum, more than less than 2 months is also possible, but maximum you have only 2 months. So within this month how you can cover the total syllabus and how you can crack the exam. That is a very much problematic for every student because our assumption was that exam will be on June, but it's unfortunately it is going to happen on April. So in this video I am going to discuss about that only, how you can cover the complete syllabus within this short time with smart strategy and our strategy, that is less is more. Here also you have to apply this strategy less is more, and how the less is more will be applicable now. So that is the topic of this video. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update. And this is my Telegram channel, so must join this Telegram channel. This is paper 1 and this is computer science, and this is my email ID unifystudy@gmail.com. If you have any query you can send me mail. Now coming to the topic, first of all, there what you have to say, that is you have to go for the important topic what are relevant for the exam. So how you can do this, that you can do from the PYQs, right? So paper 1 PYQs 2020, there is 26 set, near about 26 set is there in the 2020. So if in the 2020 there is near about 26 set, so 26 into 50 question you have. So how you can get this? Yes, that is I am showing you that it is already available and you can avail it with free of cost and you can complete it, try to complete it as early as possible. So I am showing you. And for the computer science, same thing, you have to go for the PYQs and the MCQ, relevant MCQ. This year the topic was little bit, means the question was little bit different. It was conceptual question and the statement type question, so little bit indirect question was there. That's why now you have to focus on that area. You have to practice this type of question. So where you can get this type of question and how you can understand that what are the important topic and what are the not important topic, that is I am going to discuss now. Okay. So first of all I am showing you that where are the free classes, must watch it, where are the free classes. The free classes is here, you can see here the free classes already, right? So in before the last exam I have taken the free classes. So here I have uploaded all the video, all the videos are there, but regarding 2021 some new question are there, that is added. So now I am not getting time here, so I am taking the class in Unacademy and there is all the free classes available for you. Yes, that is available for you. So I am showing you where it is available. Just go to my profile, search Priyanka Chatterjee and I will share you the link also. So you have to click on the link and you have to come here. So when you come here, there you can see the special classes. So in the month of January, I have completed teaching aptitude top 50 question, more than 50 question with the concept. Different type of question I have taken. There are the 5 classes first week. And after that you can see the list. These are the people and environment list. After that research aptitude and teaching aptitude. In that way I have taken. Okay, I will share the link also in the description below. Just come to the profile and try to watch teaching aptitude 50 question, research aptitude 50 question, people and environment 50 question and ICT 50 question, that are already done in the special classes. So you have to watch the recording. How you can watch the recording? Just you have to click here and you have to apply the promo code to unlock the free plan. So what is the promo code here? I am writing my promo code. Definitely you have to write this promo code PRIYANKA. Sorry, PRIYANKACS. This is my promo code. You can apply this referral code PRIYANKACS. This is the referral code, and using this referral code you can unlock the free plan and you can watch all the videos, and in that videos you can download the PDF also, means you are getting the question paper free of cost, right, for the paper 1. And for the computer science also there is the classes. So in the month of January and December I have completed all the important topic here in my classes. So you can see here the classes, that is computer science classes are there. So for the computer science, that is computer science monthly revision, last day there was the topic. So what I have done, the TOC, discrete math from the relational relation and the graph theory, propositional logic, all the topic are done in the month of January. And February also new topic will be done. I will do new topic. So these are all about the free classes what you can avail free of cost in the Unacademy. Now I am coming, that is it's very true that you have only 2 months, right? So now you have to read more, you have to learn more, you have short time. So what you can do, that will be more better for you, that you can go for the subscription. In the subscription, just go to my profile, there you can see the plus courses. So in the plus courses you can see computer science, complete computer science courses, complete courses for MCQ, and ultimate courses for UGC NET paper 1. So these 3 courses are already going on, and it is ultimate paper 1 that is already done, and these courses are going on. So here I am covering all the important area. It is started on the month of December, but so many subject is already done. So if you take the subscription, then you will get the complete series, because it is the recording will be available to you. So you can take the subscription and you can complete all the classes. There you are getting, in this course you are getting all the details, all in-depth knowledge from basic to advanced level. And this MCQ course is going to start on the February 15th. So in this 15 days, what you have to do, you have to watch all the previous classes, and you can start with the MCQ, and whatever live classes is going on, that you can do with me. In that way, and the paper 1 also you can watch the recording. So that's why you have to take the subscription. The subscription, when you are getting the subscription, then you can avail all the complete courses, subject wise, topic wise, everything are there. So just go to here, you can click here and you can see, and after that you have to click on the get subscription, and when you are clicking on the get subscription, you can see there is the plus course and the iconic course. 2 subscription are there. In the plus course you are getting the courses, PDF, live test, quizzes, interactive live session, doubt clearing session, everything are there. And in iconic course you are getting the extra benefit for the personal coach, personalized doubt clearing session, and proprietary study material, means after that book will be not required for you. If you have not time, then it is sufficient, and you are getting the interview preparation also. So when you are selecting on the plus, this is the fees for the plus, and here you have to apply my referral code Priyanka CS. So when you are applying the referral code, then you are getting 10% off. And in the iconic also, when you are doing the iconic, just go back, and when you are selecting the iconic subscription, then you are also getting this after applying the promo code. So this is the details about the iconic and the plus subscription. Now the problem is that from the February 1st, the course fees is going to be high, the subscription fees is going to be high. So it is the perfect time to take the subscription now, otherwise it will be means you have to pay more. See, in the 6 month for the iconic subscription, now 25% offer is going on, but from the 1st February it is going to be high, and it is 18,000 6 month and 26,000 1 year, and for the Plus subscription it is it should be then 2,900 for 1 month and 6,250 for the 2 month. So you can understand, if you are taking now you have only 2 days, today is 30 and tomorrow is 31st, only these 2 days if you are taking the subscription, then you are getting more benefit, because after that you have to pay more fees. So try to take your subscription now and don't wait for subscription, because from the 1st February the subscription price is going to be high. Take the subscription now and complete your preparation with my courses. The courses are for the paper 1, paper 2, paper 1 it is already done. Here I have covered all the important area with the PYQS 2020 PYQS, and after that there is the complete course for the computer science. It is also going on. It is going to be end on the month of March. So when you are coming to the month of March, then your everything will be completed, because here I have covered all the course subject, and I am going to start the MCQ course also. MCQ course is going to start from the 15th February. So take the subscription now only. Start your preparation, try to watch all the previous recording and to try to follow the live classes. The live classes are going on for the 9 p.m. and it is going to start at the 5:30 p.m. So this is the time for the live classes, and before that the live classes time was 4 p.m. So another course is going to be launched, that can be on 4 p.m. So this is the all the afternoon time is there for my Plus courses. So you can avail the Plus courses, you can watch the recording, you can complete your syllabus within this few time, because exam is coming soon and you have to complete your syllabus within this time. There is no more days, you have to complete it in any way, right? So don't wait and take your subscription now only using my referral code Priyanka CS, and when you are applying this referral code you are getting 10% off. Okay. So take your subscription and start the preparation with me, and watch the free classes also. The free classes is also there in the Unacademy platform. Hope the information will be helpful for you all. Share this video to your friend and definitely follow me on Unacademy. The free classes and the Plus courses, everything will be helpful for you all. And this is not only me, other educator is also there. So you can watch their recording, you can watch their classes also. Thank you so much, and don't waste time. Try to start your preparation now only. Bye. Have a good day.